Which of these statements is correct? A. Body force term in the momentum equation is nonlinear. B. Rate of change term in the momentum equation is nonlinear. C. Convective term in the momentum equation is linear. D. Convective term in the momentum equation is nonlinear. The correct answer is convective term in the momentum equation is nonlinear. In which of these flows is the kinetic energy important? A. Compressible flows. B. Compressible isothermal flows. C. Incompressible isothermal flows. D. Incompressible flows. The correct answer is incompressible isothermal flows. The difference between the conservative and the non-conservative approaches occurs in the A. Finite difference method. B. Finite volume method. C. Finite element method. D. Spectral element method. The correct answer is finite volume method. In which of these approaches is the pressure force treated as a body force? A. Finite volume method non-conservative approach. B. Finite volume method conservative approach. C. Finite difference method conservative approach. D. Finite difference method non-conservative approach. The correct answer is finite volume method conservative approach. If the pressure force is not treated as a surface force in the finite volume method, what will happen? A. Non-conservative error. B. Stability issues. C. Boundedness problems. D. Convergence issues. The correct answer is non-conservative error. For the incompressible flows, which of these terms will be zero? A. Pressure force. B. Body force. C. Bulk viscosity. D. Shear force. The correct answer is bulk viscosity. Which of these changes do not contribute to a change in momentum in the momentum equation? A. Surface fluxes. B. Surface forces. C. Body forces. D. Rate of change term. The correct answer is rate of change term. Which of these is correct for extra viscous terms in cylindrical coordinates? A. The implicit and explicit treatments do not depend on the sign of the coefficients. B. It is treated implicitly when its contribution to the coefficient of the central node is negative. C. It is treated implicitly when its contribution to the coefficient of the central node is positive. D. It is treated explicitly when its contribution to the coefficient of the central node is positive. The correct answer is it is treated implicitly when its contribution to the coefficient of the central node is positive. An equation for the conservation of kinetic energy can be obtained by A. The product of momentum equations and mass. B. The product of momentum equations and velocities. C. The product of continuity equations and velocities. D. The product of continuity equations and mass. The correct answer is the product of momentum equations and velocities. For incompressible flows with no body forces, the volume integral term is A. Viscous terms. B. Pressure forces. C. Body forces. D. Flux terms. The correct answer is viscous terms.